Welcome back to Pump Info News, my wonderful people. You don't read though. They say that the Biafra Liberation Army waiting for Igodo. Don't send message. Go give Finland government. Say that if they refuse to release Simon Ekpa come February to January to February, say they are going to make sure that every white person waiting for their land, though, say they go bash them come out. They go, in fact, they go throw them come out for their land. You don't read though. You can't talk another one, another Biafra army again, can't still come outside. Or under Biafra government in exile, can't come outside again, can't talk say that from now henceforth, they say Tinubu and the French are their enemies. Say the French government are coming to help Nigeria to buy them. My people, you don't read. I will leave you to watch the videos, may see how it really happen for the area. I beg watch this video and share them. You see they for pump.
Greetings, Biafrans all over the world, friends of Biafra and lovers of freedom. I greet each and every one of you this very hour. Yes, as you all can see, this is Igodo Biafra fighters, and I am here to give a very straight warning to those who think that they have the monopoly of violence. This very hour, I'm talking to the Finnish government. Finland, you have betrayed Biafrans. We thought that Finland is a nation where every human right is equal. And that is why we believe that when we heard what we heard about our Prime Minister, Mazi Simon Ekpa, we felt what we heard was true. But as it stands now, we can understand that all what we heard are all false. Right now, all the people involved in this very act, that is none of our business. Our business is that we want to see our Prime Minister released. Finland government, we are giving you from this very day to the 1st of January 2025. If we fail to see our Prime Minister, Mazi Simon Ekpa, every white people in the state of Igodo Biafra land, every companies, everything they own must be locked down, totally locked down. Yes, it is time. I have told you, Biafrans, in the state of Igodo, every Monday is sit at home for the release of our Supreme Leader, Mazi Namikano. If you know that you are a uniformed man working for the zoo in the territory of Biafra, in the state of Igodo Biafra, popularly known as Ojedo State, leave our land. Leave our land. If you fail to leave our land, whatever you see, you take. For those of you who don't listen to advice, I have been saying it over and over. Every Monday is it at home. And if you fail to obey our order, whatever you see, you manage it. The main reason for this video is for the release of Simon Ekpa. We want to see him free and speak with us. We want to see him free and be with us. And if from now to 1st of January 2025, if we don't see our Prime Minister Mazi Simon Ekpa working freely, then every white man's company in the state of Igodo Biafra land must be locked down until whenever he is released. This is Igodomigodo Biafra fighters. Every Monday, sit at home until we see our Supreme Leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu walking free. This very warning is a direct one. We have no time, and this is it. We have no time.
Chai, Chukwu okike abịama. Good afternoon, wonderful people of Biafra. Good afternoon, the children of light. I want to tell you that there is no way you will stop seeing us. There is no way you will stop talking about us. There is no way you will stop seeing this face. Today is the last Eke in the year 2024. Today is the last Saturday in the year 2024. As today they pass, and you never see them again, so shall the Nigeria government, Nigeria terrorist group, be passed away forever. I am here this evening to give you hope that the land of Biafra, the holy land of Biafra, the land of the rising sun, can never bow down to any intruder. It no matter how many they have. Last time I told you that France have come to help their criminal counterpart, Nigeria government. They have come, but don't worry. As they come, as this year they pass, now so they go follow pass. Then come, then go die. I want you to know one thing. At the end, Biafra must come. All these things that is happening, it is for our good. Have this in mind. That no matter how hard it is, it can never hurt past us, the children of the land. Now we be the children of the soil. So you want to see my face? Now maybe this. I am telling you that you have come into the land of Biafra to die. As long as you come with the mind to kill the children of the soil, you can never go back alive. Those who know how to speak French should interpret this talk in French language. Palami, palaso. Nabia, you go die. Interpret for them. No two ways about it. Tell the French people. I tell them. I hope they explain, give you well. As you come, now so you go die. Now we own land. Now our land we dey. This is the land of our ancestors. Hey.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. I beg make una share this video and make sure say you dey share am with your friends, so make them know as it dey go. This last one night don red. You know what it say go hot to my people.